Okay, so this is our room tour of Animal Kingdom Lodge, room 4519. We have just checked in, so I'm just going to show you this. So this is the front door. It's a really lovely door, like the detail in the door is really nice. It's just a bit unfortunate that we've got somebody's leftover dishes from last night and somebody's dirty bedding. But haven't been moved yet, but we come into the room here. So we've got a connecting door there, which we're not using at the minute. Then this is like a huge slide over door that covers up the bathroom area. So it's a full length mirror, which is really nice. So that's back to the main door there. So I'm just going to push that open like that, and then it's into the bathroom area. So it is double sinks. There's little flannels in here. We've got the H2O products. So you've got your facial soap, body lotion, mouthwash, vanity kit, shower cap. You've got some lovely tissues. You've got your little light on the side there, like a little shaving light. Oh, that's cute, Hakuna Matata. Got little towels, big mirror. Then this is, I think there's like a, I don't know, the door must come out somewhere because this is the toilet, like a separate toilet and shower area. So you've got all your towels up there. Oh, there's like spare tissues up there. And then let's see how this works. Oh, there we go. You've got your H2O screwed to the wall, and this one again, shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And a nice shower. The tiles are really nice. You've got your little thing to pull across as well, your line for your wet bathing costumes. I'm trying to work out how. You've got little hooks there. I don't know how this actually, it's like it's wedged in. Nope, that didn't do it. Oh, is that a handle? Oh, there we go. Gosh, that was a bit tricky. And then take it, you can, and then you can lock it like that. Which I've not locked myself in yet, so that locks it. And then that, oh, I'm not really sure we'll be opening that up much, because that's very, very tricky to do that. These drawers, we've got a hairdryer down there. Some just like, kind of got like a little bit of storage space there though, that's a nice little space. Then opposite is the wardrobe. So you've got a nice long rack there for hanging all your, like, your longer items in. Then there's a shorter rack, the safe, and there's like plenty of like cupboard space there, up there. There's lots of nice cupboard space and things there. Then we've got, oh, this is a coffee machine, but I think they've left like a dishcloth there. There's like a light here or something. Oh, that's quite nice. That lights up that bit there. So you've got your ice bucket and your cups and your coffee maker. Then here is your little cups and all your little decaf things. Also, we've got the Joffrey's 50th anniversary blend, English breakfast black tea and green tea. I've never seen them in those little pots before. It's coffee mate. Then, oh gosh, these things are really hard to open. This is like the fridge in here, so I think this is maybe like one of those coolers that people have been talking about. Not a fridge, it's not very cold at all, so it must be a cooler maybe. It's got the clear door. And you've got a bin next to it. I've just put our luggage there. This luggage, I think these are luggage racks. That was already there when we came in. Then we've got, oh, I've already turned the light on. This is the main area. So we've got 2 double beds. Then there is USB ports here as well. I'm not sure how you turn these lights on though. Nope, not sure about that. Oh, there's little reading nook lights there in the corner. Sorry, just blinded everyone. I didn't know they were there. I'm sure there's a way to turn those on at some point. I'm sure I'll find it. Then opposite the bed is the drawers. So there's the same on both sides. Really big, nice drawers. There's 6 of them. Big TV. More USB ports here. That's just our little things. Then there's another bed Oh, here's the thing. So, sconces. That's it. That's these ones. That lights up those three. Up lights are behind the bed. Then we've got ceiling, which is obviously the middle. And then good night just turns the same. So you've got ceiling, which is the middle one. You've got sconces and you've got up lights. There we go. That's a bit brighter. Well, that's some nice artwork on there. It's like almost like cave drawings on it. Then you've got a nice small table and 2 chairs. Another mirror and a nice light again. I'm trying to work out, oh, that light's here. There we go. That's a nice light. Then we've got the other double bed. Or, I don't know what size actually. There's no storage. There's no little drawer in here, but there's a nice little shelf there at least. So that's good because at least there's like 3 shelves. So I know in our other hotel, Matilda doesn't have a shelf. They like to put her stuff on if you're sleeping on that side. But at least there's, let me just check what's on the other side. Yeah, there is. Yeah, that's really good. And then we have a savannah view. So Matilda's super excited to show you in a minute what's outside. So we've got the full curtains, pull, slide along door. So we've got a little table and 1 chair there. Oh, it's got like a little face in the chair there. And we've got another chair on that side that's got a giraffe in. And then this is our view from the room.
2 there, 1 there.
So I think that's the main Jambo house. So you can see just all around here like this. So yeah, you can just about make out the giraffe, like his legs, like, where's my thing, I've got to go, where? There is a giraffe, he's just moving now. Then there's some animals lying down here at the water area. There's another one there, there's more there. There is a bird, you can just see the bird just over there going across, another animal. There's 2 more there, the same animals. Some in the distance. Looks like they've literally all just come back within like the last couple of minutes, haven't they? No, I don't think they're parrots, missus. So that's like the main Jambo house there, and I think that's the bit where you can stand and observe them as well. I think we've been like once or twice to here. I know we ate at Savannah once and we ate at Boma once. So we've been here looking at that, but this is the view, and this is the view from room 4519.